Hello all. We are the U team and we are very happy to present our idea for the next round. We are very thankful to the entire jury panel for having selected our idea for this level. We propose AI Harvest. We are getting farmers technically aided better. Well, what do we propose? We propose a system which is 2-in-1. We have got two modules to it. The first module is real-time perishable tracking during transport. The second module is real-time crop disease identification, and both of these are powered by AWS. Well, we let it not to perish. The first module is quality monitoring during transport. We will see more data on it. Agricultural producers in the country is wasted up to 58,000 crore rupees. It's huge amount. 40% of the total produce is wasted every year, and this is because lack of clear visibility in the supply chain management and lack of basic facility to store the foods. During transport, there is a lot of materials, lot of perishables which are getting wasted and they are spoiled. We are here to propose a technique and to show you how exactly we can put a stop and end to this wastage, and that's powered by AWS. I have got some statistics for you which are really stunning, and some of them are related to the health and the future for the country. 1 in 4 children being malnourished is not to be taken lightly. There, one side we have hunger, another side we waste food, we waste perishables. We should not do that, and we are here with a technique which will help in identifying, in monitoring the quality of the perishables during the transport from the source to the destination. And based on the quality that we identify, we can enable the delivery to happen before the food getting spoiled, thereby enabling the seller to give the best for the buyer and the buyer to go back happily and to eat the healthy food. Before the food gets wasted, before the vegetables or the perishables getting spoiled, they can be consumed and the seller can be happy with the returns, the buyer can be happy with good health. That's what we propose. Well, how do we do it? Is it possible? Yes, it's possible. We can monitor the perishables quality through the odor, the temperature and the humidity. We can do that, and through sensors we collect the data and we push it onto AWS. We get it analyzed quickly and we get you the grade in the mobile phone app which we have developed, and it's a very simple app where the boxes would be graded as A, B or C. A is the best grade, B is the moderate grade, C is the worst grade, which means it has to be delivered at the earliest. And based on this grading, we will also suggest where we can deliver it with a clear map update. All these happen real time, and when you see the demo, you will be able to understand it. This can also be extended for further things like transporting meat and other extended stuff, which is real time and 100% working. Well, the simplified architecture is presented for your perusal here. We monitor the temperature, humidity, odor, and that all is being pushed onto the Node MCU, and from there we push it onto the AWS. And immediately you get the content in terms of app update in the Android with location, as in which box can go to which place. And it will be very easy for the driver or the caretaker or the cleaner in the vehicle to deliver it accordingly. And we have designed the app in a very simple manner, such a way that it will not need any new learning for the user to use that particular app. It will be simple, easy and elegant. Well, we are seeing the demo right now, and you will be able to understand how exactly the entire proposed system works. I'm sure you would like this. Here you can see that I have got the complete system set up along with the vegetables. We are going to monitor the quality of the vegetables real time. Here we have certain vegetables available, out of which we have purposefully kept some vegetables which are rotten. This is rotten, this is rotten, this is semi-rotten. Now we have got sensors here. This sensor will be capable of measuring the temperature as well as humidity, and this sensor will get the odor. So once the data is obtained, it will be transferred to the microcontroller which is here. My pencil is marking you that now. This microcontroller will collect all the data and it will be pushed onto the AWS. You could see the way the data is being pushed onto the cloud right now. And this data is real time entered onto the cloud, and one could see the data being entered. We monitor the temperature, the humidity and the odor. All this data will be analyzed carefully, and that analysis will help us in understanding the grade of each box that we transport. And based on that, as I told you, we can deliver the boxes at appropriate places, and that will be helped through the map that we have connected to our app. Once you see the demo, you will be able to understand that, and this data notably is collected completely real time, and now we are going to see the way the app is working. Now I am opening my app which we have designed, and you can say that after some point in time you will get the grade for each
box. Here the first box which we have has got the grade C, which means that it is having poor quality, which means that it has to be delivered at the earliest. Now where to deliver it will be the point now we need to address. Click address and it will immediately take you through the map. And here if you start navigating, it will also give you the complete path for the driver to assist him towards delivering it properly. All this happen real time, particularly the decision making and the map update happens definitely in real time, which will help the driver to make the decisions immediately to deliver the box.
Well, having seen the first part of the demo, it's time for us to understand the second part of it. The second part of it would be definitely better than the first part, we hope, and you would certainly like it, is our assumption. Right. Healthy organic crops, AI to rescue. What do you mean by that? Simple. We are going to monitor the quality of the crops right now. The first time, in the first discussion, we presented you how to monitor the quality of the perishables during transport. Now we monitor it during the time of produce itself, which means we will grow it right. We will grow it right, we will send it right, we will deliver it right. So it's a complete cycle that we plan it, and it's a complete end-to-end process that we propose you. And real-time crop disease monitoring and insect identification. That's what we are going to propose. Very simple. There is no technique which can help the farmer so easily to identify which insect has affected or which pest has affected the crops. Now we make it very simple. The farmer can just take a photo, upload it, get to know what disease the plant or the crop is infected with and what solution they can go ahead with. All these are done, and all this happen real time. And the farmers are also very friendly right now with the mobile phones, and Android has made it possible. So we capitalize that advantage. With the power of AWS, we could get all these done little faster and accurate as well. As of now, we have identified 30 diseases and we have taken inputs from the farmer to appreciate it, and we can expand this any further with the inputs of more expert people to make the system little more reliable and stable. Right. When you see the demo, you'll be able to understand this completely, and we used VGG16 feature extractor and completely powered in the backend by the AWS. All these are done real time, and you'll be able to understand the demo very easily. The demo is presented to you right now, and I hope you will like the demo. You could see the demo here. You can either take a fresh picture and upload it, or for the demo purpose, we are uploading it from our database. We are selecting a leaf image and we are uploading it. Immediately, it will be analyzed and the results would be available for your quicker reference about the disease.
Apple seed or apple rust.
As you could see, you got the display with the detail of the disease. Also, a voice alert has been given. Now we are going to test it with another leaf image, and it will help you in understanding the system better. We are taking another crop image. We are uploading it right now, and you could get the result immediately in front of you. All this happens real time, and you could get the result now.
Healthy.
As you have seen, this is a healthy leaf and there was no disease. Now we are going to take one more leaf finally to get the understanding enriched, and I am going to do that right now. Let me take another leaf and we will see if it has got some infection by uploading it to our system.
Corn, maize, common rust.
Yes, it's infected and we got the disease detail as well. As you have seen, this is all real time and perfect. We hope you like the demo. Well, to summarize, you have seen two demos, two parts of it. First part ensures the transportation flaws which are corrected. The second part ensures that during the growth itself, we can monitor the quality of the plant and we can make sure that it gets better and more revenue can be generated for the farmer. So we take care of the entire cycle as I already conveyed. Now the entire system is real time. We can identify the crop disease. We can ensure crop health. We can ensure hygiene, and geotagging is presented as well. This system is absolutely scalable, and the farmer will be happy, which is the most important thing for the country to grow, we strongly believe, and the end user will be happy and healthy, which is also important for all of us. And we give you Android and web application, and overall we can retain the customers. This will turn the entire country very healthy as well as rich. We thank you for the opportunity, and we look forward to receiving more opportunities like this, and we thank the whole organizing team. Thank you from the U team.